a banana today. Today we're going to Asheville and I'm so happy I'm eating a banana before we go. We're going to Asheville. Turn that down so they can hear me. We're going to Asheville today and we're going to see the mountains.
What else?
And then tomorrow we're going to go to Brevard North.
Yeah.
We're staying there for 2 days, 2 nights at a hotel. So happy. No, that's cute. Let's walk out some music. Let's see if the camera's going. Yeah. Yeah. You're in really bad traffic. Like super bad. Look, show them. So we're really backed up. So we're probably not going to video until we're there. We went around traffic and now we're rerouting and we're going a different way. Okay? So if you guys were worrying, we were really worried too because we were in traffic for like 20 minutes. Sunglasses. I got pizza ones. Smash around. See? The glasses. But look, we're in our little cave. Woo.
This way. Come on over here.
Look at it though. Look how cool this is. It's an interesting trail.
Come on. 1, 2, and 3 at the top.
It looks a little like 4.
It does kind of look like 4, but that's awesome.
Yeah, we're gonna go see more. High five! How big those mushrooms?
Hey Bayleigh, there's a pipe on the mountain.
What? What are pipes?
Bayleigh don't know what pipes are.
Look at this big waterfall. This is called High Falls. And I think it's really high.
That's why it's called High Falls.
Yep. They were taking a picture. Look how cool that is.
Alright.
What?
Sunday morning we're gonna roll back inside.
Look at all that big waterfall. So we just left the whole entire place. We're driving on the road now.
How cool was it?
It was so cool. Tomorrow we're going to Slide Rock, and I'm really gonna be happy. It's so nice here. It's like the best. We're gonna have waffles tomorrow for breakfast. Now we're in the elevator. Which button do I push? 2. 2. Oh, this is 205. We're right here. Where's the thing? Where's our name? What's our name?
It doesn't say.
I thought it said it's. Look at the room. We got the bathroom. Ooh, this is literally just a little door that doesn't work. We got a shower. I know. And we can see so high above. Not. You guys, I'm being sarcastic, by the way. We're not really far from the ground at all. We got some hangers right here. I already took my shoes off.
You already took your shoes off.
We got a coral lamp.
Look at this. This is cool.
Stuff over here, coffee thing. I think this is gonna be your side. This is gonna be my side. Cause there's a coffee machine over here.
That's fine.
There's a coffee machine, and there's a coral light that I like.
Look at this.
Oh, this is like the best. It's our bed. Oh, I'm gonna get used to this. Ooh, so comfortable. So comfortable. Lay on it. Lay on it, Daddy.
I'm not gonna lay on it because I'm still wet. Still wet.
Oh.
Still wet.
We got a microwave.
Let's look at those.
Got a microwave, Daddy.
Okay, cool.
We got a microwave. Well, we don't really have microwaves anymore. Ooh, we got a little bit. You guys? Okay, I'm gonna pick. We're going to another another mountain, another waterfall before we go to Sliding Rock. Trips?
For right now.
Get another one.
One for me and one for you.
Let's go. I'm so happy. You guys can see it a little bit better right here. He's not gonna get in until Sliding Rock. Hey, you guys, look at that waterfall though. We just went into Sliding Rock, and it was so fun. I had a cool plan where you slid down over there by the Dupont, and it was 8 feet total. And you paddle your way until you get to the shallow end, and then you'll just go to the stairs and then do it again. And that's what my plan was while he was gone trying to go get the phones and you guys to like watch. So you guys probably watched it, but we gotta go. We're gonna go eat lunch, and then we'll see you back. Okay, bye. And this is a shirt we got because they have shirts and t-shirts and all that kind of stuff. I have this one because they didn't have any other blue ones that I liked. Yeah.
We got there before there was too many people. We left once it got busy. We got to go down a bunch. We didn't get hurt. I got
hurt.
Water. Cold water.
Then where? Okay. Hurry! Come on! Come on! I have pizza for lunch. Yeah. He just has that and some macaroni for a side. He'll probably eat some of that. We have a little bit of salad for him, and I have cheese pizza to eat. Yeah. So we gotta go because I want to eat really good. So we're almost in what? So we're almost in Maynard?
No, we're closer to Florence than anything. We're just leaving Florence.
So we're almost in...
We're just leaving Florence. We have about an hour before we get home. So about 40 minutes before we get to Maynard.